Hi and welcome to the channel. Do you need to understand English for accounting, invoices and budgets? In today's video, I'll teach you simple English words and phrases used in business finance, perfect for beginners who work in an office or starting a business or learning financial English. Let's get started. What is accounting? Accounting is how businesses keep track of money, what comes in and what goes out. Here are 5 important terms. Account. A place where money is recorded. Example, bank account. I put my money into my business account. This is where your business money is kept. Example 2. Customer account. We created an account for the new client to track their orders and payments. This means you're keeping records for one specific customer. Balance. Balance is the amount of money currently in the account. Example, bank account. Account balance. This is the amount currently in the financial account. Trial balance. This is a report that lists all accounts and their balances. Balance sheet. A financial statement that shows a company's assets, liabilities and equity. Basically what the company owns and owes. Opening and closing balance. These refer to the amount at the start and the end of the period. Example, day, month, quarter. Record. To record refers to the act of formally documenting a financial transaction in the accounting system or books of a business. Ledger. A ledger is a central book or digital record where all financial transactions of a company are organised by account after being first recorded in the journal. Talking about invoices. An invoice is just a bill you send to someone when they need to pay you for a product or service. Invoice is a bill. Example, we sent the client an invoice for the project last week. Issue date. When you send the invoice. Example, the invoice was issued on the 1st of June. Due date. When the client should pay. Example, payment is due within 14 days of the invoice date. Amount due. How much money is owed. Paid, unpaid. This invoice is still unpaid. We need to follow up. Easy budget words. Budget. A plan for how much money you will spend. Cost. The amount of money needed to buy or do something. Expenses. Money you spend to run your business. Income. The amount you earn from selling products or services. Profit. Money left after all costs are paid. Over budget. You spent more than your planned budget. Under budget. You spent less than planned. Estimate. A guess or calculation of how much something will cost. Savings. Money you don't spend. You keep it for later. Forecast. A guess about future income and expenses. Now some practice time. Let's test what you've learned with a new fill-in-the-blank questions. We sent the blank last Monday and the client paid it today. We sent the invoice last Monday and the client paid it today. The invoice is blank on the 31st, so please process it by then. The invoice is due on the 31st, so please process it by then. We went blank budget on the project because of extra printing costs. We went over budget on the project because of the extra printing costs. I updated the blank to include this week's sales. I updated the ledger to include this week's sales. Okay, that's it, folks. Now you know how to talk about accounting, invoices, and budgets in English without any stress. If this video helped, I'd appreciate if you'd give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.